Hi everyone, hope you are doing good. In my today's video, I will show you how you can fix the camera app problem in your device Oppo 5s and K7. So in this device, if you are having any problem related to the camera app, like your camera is not working, or you can say your camera app is not working or hanging, you can fix it by following the few steps as I will show you. So before we jump into the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch this video, and you will learn how you can fix the camera app problem in your device Oppo 5s and K7. Let's watch the video.